Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Hello y'all. I do videos, book related videos, and diamond painting related videos. Today I'm gonna do a PR unboxing from Diamond Art Gift. Thank you to the folks at Diamond Art Gift for sending me these packages to show my viewers. Yeah, y'all. Okay, so y'all know I got a new background, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so pretty, and y'all can see the corner of my table here, and that's okay. I'm gonna unbag these two diamond paintings from Diamond Art Gift. Okay. And I'm gonna get with the first one. All of these products that I'm gonna show you will be linked in the description portion of this video. So if y'all would like to buy them, and their website will also be in the description portion of this video. And thank you to Diamond Art Gift for sending me these products. I really appreciate it. So first of all, comes with a plate of wax, a boat, and a diamond painting pen. It's a one-placer. Everything you need to diamond paint, for sure. This is a round drill diamond painting, and I thought it was so cute for the spring, so I decided to get it because y'all know I love purple and pink, and I just couldn't pass this up. Just couldn't pass it up. So this is a 30 by 40 centimeter. It has 23 colors, and it's some macaroons with a book and some flowers, and it's so cute. There's a lot of white in here, so it's a lot of color blocking here, but I don't think it's gonna be too bad. I don't mind, so it doesn't bother me. But like I said, it has 23 colors, and a lot of the colors are purple, different shades of purple, and a lot of white. It does have the DMC codes on the side, and they do have a legend on the top left and bottom right. Oh, I couldn't come out with the word, y'all. But the drill field is clear, y'all, so look at it. I'm gonna show it to y'all. Let's see if I can do this. I hope y'all can see that. I don't have my light on, sorry. But the drill field is really clear. I love those colors. Look at that macaroon and the cup. Y'all, it's so stinking cute. I love it. I love these colors. Purple and pink are my two favorite colors. So there's a lot of mixture. I don't know if you can tell, but there's some light pink here and stuff. But it's so cute. I love it. It's a good springtime photo. Good springtime. Good to work on. Like I said, the drill field is clear on this one. Y'all excuse my voice. I'm still trying to recuperate from COVID. She said it may take a while. So I don't know. I'm hoping my voice gets back to normal. It comes and goes, so I don't know, y'all. I don't know. The stick on it is good. Very sticky. You should have no problems with your drill sticking. And this is a round drill. And like I said, it is a 30 by 40 centimeter. And I'm trying to get this to flatten out. I never really have problems with these. Yo, but this is so cute. I really want to work on it for the spring. I'm going to keep it out to flatten it because I really like it. Y'all know I like books. I like the color purple and pink, and I like macaroons, and I like coffee. So I guess this is coffee, maybe tea. I don't know, but I still like it, and I'm still going to work on it. I'm going to start working on, I haven't been working on small ones. I've been trying to get my big ones out of the way. But as y'all know, it's been hard for me to do that since like December of last year. So my goal this year is to read all the books in my TBR list for the year. And of course, to buy more books and to work on all my diamond paintings that I already have kitted up and have started. I would like to finish them by the end of the year. So with that said, the only new diamond painting I'm going to start is the one, the rainy day one. Okay, back to this. So this is a round drill. I love the colors. Look, all the different mauves, the light pinks, the light beige, the dark red, burgundy colors, wine colors, whatever. They have some grays, some light blues. So pretty. All of these colors are so pretty. I love the colors. I'm really excited to work on this. I really do want to work on this, and I want to work on some paint jam ones. Okay, so we're going to do diamond painting number 2 from Diamond Art Gift. And this one was $4.99, and this one was also $4.99 on their website. So again, it comes with a boat, a plate of wax, and a diamond painting pen. Everything you need to diamond paint. And this one is also a round drill. This one is a, I thought it was a 30 by 40. This one is a 30 by 30 centimeter, but it's so springtime and it's so cute. I want to work on this one too. I really like springtime. As far as these go, I like springtime ones. Anyone's good. I love just about anything. Just colorful colors makes me happy. I don't know if that makes sense. But y'all know what I mean. Flowers, just springy ones. Farm, ocean colors. I don't know. I like them all. So this is a 30 by 30. It's dragonflies and flowers. Look at those pretty colors. This has, it's coming unraveled, but okay. It has 24 colors in it. They do have the DMC codes. It has 24 colors. This is the thumbnail for it. It's so cute. Y'all, look at the drill field. The drill field is clear on this. It's probably, it's not a lot of color blocking, but it's okay since it's a small photo. It doesn't bother me at all. They have a legend on the top left and one on the bottom right. This is, I find this is so cute. So cute. I love the colors in the dragonfly. Look at that. Really pretty colors. I know my lighting's not that great, y'all. I'm sorry. I forgot to put my light on. I have a little bitty, I have a light. And this is a 30 by 30. And this was also, look the ladybug. It was also $4.99. Look the ladybug, how cute. But as y'all can see, the drill field is really clear. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. I want to work on this one too. I want to work on them all, y'all. Y'all know. Y'all already know. Y'all know how it is. The stick is good on it. Like I said, it's a round drill. So we're going to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all the colors of the drills. I'm not taking them out because they're hard to put back. And this one has DD, so I don't know if they get their diamonds from Diamond Dots, but these are the drills for them, for this particular one. So like I said, these are the colors for that. And this one was also $4.99 on their website. So like I said, I'm going to leave the link to their website in the description portion of the video. And I'll also leave the link to these two products. So y'all click the link and it'll take y'all right to it if y'all want one of these. And for future reference, they do have more than just diamond paintings. So they have different crafts, arts and craft, you know, different crafts on there. They have larger diamond paintings. They have, I think they have like wax and diamond painting, different diamond painting pins, and so on and so forth. So y'all go check them out. And if you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe and like button, and as this helps my channel. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.